Oh man, I will present to you today my own guess based on the prophecies of the scriptures. Maybe my guess is wrong because guess is only guess, there is no definite decision. Be it war, there is a lot of sorrow. Here a large number of people have to die. So you can imagine how sad it will be. The war that has started between Russia and Ukraine has not started to stop. The day when a major explosion will happen at sea or from the sea, the war that has started between Russia and Ukraine has not started to stop. On the day when a big explosion will happen in the sea or will be done from the sea, whose purpose will be to cause a great destruction, then you will immediately understand that now we have stood on the cusp of World War. The Third World War will start from the sea area, in which many countries will be involved, It may not be a direct fight now, but the circumstances will be such that America will also jump into this war. There will be a huge war in March 2022. After 72 hours from today, a big war will start. In March 2022, Russia will launch a massive attack in the next 72 hours. Many other countries will also do direct interference against Russia. There will be tremendous cyber attacks during this war. The whole system of Ukraine will be destroyed by Russia. England and Poland will suffer a lot in this war, but Russia will also suffer a lot in this war. In March 2022, all the countries will face Russia together. By March 2, 2022, Russia will fulfill its sinister intentions and will take over much of Ukraine's territory. Oh man, fighting a war with Russia is beyond the control of Ukraine. Soon many countries will come to fight a war with Ukraine, then there will be a fierce war against Russia.